Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Chip.
I'm Delaney.
And in today's video, we are showing you guys the brushes that we got in our, what month are we in?
It'll be September.
September Liveglam, MORPHE subscription. So yeah, super excited. Again, this is a subscription that we get every month. Delaney pays like pre-order pays. I do monthly. There are a lot of options you can do with the subscription, and it basically gives you brushes every month so you can build up your collection or just keep hoarding them. But you always have a brush.
That's very true.
Yes. So this month our little theme is Cloud 9, but we get 6 brushes.
It's Cloud 6, really.
It really is.
Wouldn't have the same ring. I think they're running out of ideas.
Yep.
It's a lot of detail eye work. These are not face brushes this month, which we like. We've had a lot of face brushes and like small contour brushes, and I'm like, I need eyes on the prize, because like I think out of everything, even though like I'm covering a bigger space with doing whole face, like I'm using maybe 1 or 2 brushes. Most of the time I'm using a sponge to apply foundation, and then otherwise it's blush, contour, and that's it. Chip doesn't even contour, so she's like, concealer brush, concealer brush, concealer brush. Got it.
Done. And if you're curious about what makeup we're wearing and all that jazz, stay tuned because we will definitely post this video. It was amazing, and I don't even like ruin what we use, like the surprise. But so let's jump into this set.
This is the M461, the Duo Jumbo Crease Brush. And so it is a duo fiber, so it has the white tips here and then the black at the bottom, which I like using for my contour. I have a duo fiber brush that I use for my contouring shades, and I'm like torn if I want to keep this because like it's too big for my crease. Like it'll just get all up under my brow. So
not sure.
I think I'll put this in my kit.
Yeah, I'm not gonna open this. I wouldn't use it. Yeah, I just wouldn't use it. I have a couple duo fibers, maybe 3, but they're bigger face ones, and I use that to really like blend my highlight and blush together and make it nice and seamless. But that is really all I use, a duo fiber brush. So the small one, again, I don't contour, I just wouldn't. So yeah, giveaway. Okay, so the next one we are reaching for, this is the M453 Crease Blending Brush. Yes. A girl could always use another crease blending brush. Like,
yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this one too.
Yeah.
It's a little bit smaller. It's kind of like the duo fiber in a sense. It has, you know, the different tones on top of the white, but it's definitely not a duo brush because everything is the same length for the most part. It is tapered,
but not
this
too
feels
damp.
Nice. It's similar to like the one that I used to apply highlight under the brow. So I think this would be good for like blending in. Like if I was doing this eye look again, this is a brush that I could probably have used.
Collection.
Okay, I'm gonna pick up the Deluxe Angle blender brush. This doesn't look like super angled. Like there's definitely an angle there, but it's like a round instead of just a flat, which is interesting. And then let's see what the little paper says. A wonder worker for small areas like corners of eyes. I guess so. Would you use it on the corner? Are you a corner kind of girl?
I mean, I think I would use this as a transition color brush. So
yeah, that
large
would be nice.
Area, buff it all out. But any type of detail, nah, you too big.
If I was using like a very natural looking color, like a nude or a neutral, then I would use that to apply all of them.
Yeah.
So I think I'll put it in my kit.
I do like the brown bristles, like we all know. So that's nice. So this is in my collection. Yeah.
Let's switch one next. We've only got 3 left.
Ooh. All right. We'll do the M423. This is a flat detailer brush. Basically, you can use this for any type of line work, creasing, cut creasing, tight lining. Yeah.
I've been really getting into gel liner recently, and this would be a really good brush.
Yeah.
So
I'm definitely keeping this.
yeah.
I love doing...
You're just getting a bunch of face brushes.
This is also really good for brows. Also, like if you don't have one with a spoolie, you could definitely do brows with this brush. And yeah, definitely keeping it. I would use this to add, like if I did a liner and then glitter on top of it, just pack on the glitter on top of the black liner.
Yeah, because this is thin enough that you can get right into that inner corner where you want the line to normally be thinner and not super thick.
Keeping.
Okay, number 5, we have the M408, was a chisel shader brush. It's like a smudger, I would say. I wouldn't say that this is like a shader.
Yeah.
The little paper says define color placement and pigment and payoff. I have one that's very close to this size. It's like maybe a 4th smaller as far as the width is concerned, and I kind of prefer that. This would save you time because it's a little bit wider if you're trying to pack on color on your lower lash line, or use like a metallic or a shimmer shade down there because, you know, it's thick, but it's not like, ugh.
Yeah.
I already have a pretty close dupe to this, and I may need to check my kit and see if there's something that I can put in there for this, but if not, it's going in the giveaway for me.
I think we got a shader brush or something like this, a buffing brush, in past bags, but I kept it, so I don't think I need another one because I rarely use it. So this is definitely a giveaway.
Okay, tell us about the last one, Chip.
So this one is the E38 Bent liner brush, and I am definitely keeping this one. I like when I do cut creases, sometimes I like to add like a really nice defined line, like a color line, either being white or any type of glitter. This would be really good, especially being bent, that it worked nicely with my hand. So
I've never used a bent liner brush before, so I was really excited when I saw this.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay.
It'd be kind of cool for liner as well. I feel like the whole bent purpose is to make it more like, what is that word? Economically or comfortable. Yeah. Your hand is supposed to be like, ergonomic. Very comfortable while you're doing that type of work. So
yeah, this would be great if you're trying to bring out your eyeliner into the inner corner of the eye too. If you're trying to get that nice point, which I always have a problem with, so I always am using like a felt tip liner for that. Which I mean, I'm normally using a felt tip liner in general, but this would be nice if you wanted to use a gel or a cream or something like that.
But yeah, so these are the brushes that we got in this month's Liveglam subscription. So let us know what you think of the brushes. If you have the subscription, what do you think of yours? Are you loving it?
If we didn't mention it already, I'll link our initial video that we did this on. It's a little bit longer and it's a little bit more detailed about the actual subscription itself down below and up in the eye. See you guys on the next month's video. Bye!